The IntegraD Property Ledger provides dynamic financial reporting at property level. While entering transactions into other IntegraD applications, our fully integrated solution automatically posts information to the property ledger. Our impressive property ledger also works in conjunction with, and as a special subledger to, the general ledger. Let's take a look at the IntegraD Property Ledger. In the Property Ledger application, under Property Ledger Reports, you'll find the Property Trial Balance. This is very similar to the General Ledger Trial Balance in the fact that it's by account and then by property. The Property Ledger Report is the reverse. It's by property and then by account. The Detailed Property Ledger is also very similar to the General Ledger Detail Report in the fact that it is by transaction. It begins with the beginning balance, prints the transactions for the period selected, and ends with the ending balance, and is by account by property. Let's take a look at the Property Revenue and Expense Report. This report can be printed for this month, this year, or cumulative, which is the inception to date. It's by property and then prints the income, the taxes less the deductions, as well as the net income, deducts the operating expenses, and calculates the net profit or loss. The Net Payout Report, which is also similar to the Revenue and Expense Report, is by this month, this quarter, this year, or cumulative, and lists the leasehold cost, the IDC, equipment, LOE, workover cost, taxes and deductions to arrive at the total cost for the well, and applies the revenue to then calculate the payout. Under the Property Comparative Reports, which is IntegraD's LOS or LOE report, we have the ability to print this report for your net share, the 100%, which would be the property level, or a combined report that will print both the net share and the 100% information. There are multiple formats of this report, so let's take a look at the 100% comparative. This is a 12-month report, and when you enter the ending date, the system will walk back and calculate the beginning date for the 12-month period. If you have the IntegraD production system, you also may choose to include the produced volumes versus the sales volumes so that the system can calculate the variance. We list the production or the revenue by product, the production tax, less the royalties to arrive at the net income. Then the system has the ability to calculate your price per product, display your expenses in detail as in this example, or you may choose to row your LOE expenses to one line, and actually come up then with the net income per property. We have the option to also print the investment section, which includes your capital cost, and then a payout line. Again, with the production system, this report has the ability to calculate your days produced, your operating cost per day, the total cost per day, and the lifting cost. All of the IntegraD Property Ledger reports have the ability to be exported into 6 alternate formats. From the menu, you will just select your report and choose the printer button, which will allow you to select File and export your report to PDF, Excel, comma delimited, a DBF file, or a text file. This output is available on all of the Property Ledger reports. Under Inquiry, you can inquire by account, by property, see the monthly activity, and actually drill down to the detail level. Dynamic and comprehensive financial reporting is a key feature you will enjoy with the IntegraD Property Ledger. For more information, call Avatar Systems today.